Okay, y'all. So I actually went to the store this time. But don't get me started on them overpriced groceries. Anyways, this right here is straight bomb.
It's fine.
All right, let me tell y'all what I did. I got my potatoes going and some chicken bouillon. Got that boiling. Seasoned up some salmon. Slit some pockets right up in there. I'm going to whip up a little concoction and stuff in there with some cream cheese, sharp cheddar cheese, broccoli, red pepper, some ranch seasoning, some Worcestershire sauce. I got my potatoes done, nice and creamy. Black pepper, salt, butter. Go ahead and put that stuffed salmon right up on that skillet, that cast iron skillet. I got me some carrots going. You feel me? Turn that salmon over, nice sear. Throw that in the oven. Okay, deglaze the pan with a little butter, little garlic, little cream, little honey drizzle in that thing. I also hit them carrots with that honey too. God damn. Salmon came out the oven looking real good. On top of the mashed potatoes, smothered in that nice garlic honey cream sauce. Ooh.